You better turn up. You better.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to DATFAMILY5. On today's video, we are cleaning our vacuums. How often do you clean your vacuum? I use soap and water, and I also use the electronic high pressure air so to get all the little crevices and stuff. So I really hope that y'all enjoyed this video. As you can see, this is an older video, but I never got to put out. So, you know, one of the lost in the archives, and hope y'all enjoy this cleaning motivation. And I do this about every 3 to 6 months. So, yeah. And so I really hope that y'all enjoy. Okay. Thank you.
You better grab that tambourine. Bring the bass, we might be wicked. We may be forced to cause a scene. Make some trouble, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my choo-choo-la, choo-choo-la. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. We got this. On a higher level. On a higher level. We got this. I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let it go. I see you watching me from a distance. I see you can't decide what to feel. But if you dig a little deeper, boy, you know you really wanna get to know me. Let's get this out of the way. I can't wait another day to tell you you shouldn't wait. Don't be so afraid. Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm fun and games. When I'm acting tough, I just wanna play. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Come and get it, 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 come and get it. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Jump on my roller coaster and hold tight. It won't be easy, but
All right, let me go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Atoya. I'm the wife of Douglas and the mother of Rayne, Mamie, and Ezekia, our 3 girls. We are a family that does a whole bunch of type of stuff for our house. So we do cleaning motivation, we do vlogs. We're just a family just trying to have fun and live life. Like seriously, everybody goes through life and everybody goes through their ups and downs, but we're just trying to keep it on the positive and show y'all some good things. And sometimes we do some storytelling time and show y'all some bad things. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoy this cleaning motivation that I have given you today. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and don't forget to share. Share.
come and get it, baby, I'm all yours. Come and get it, come and get it, come and get it, come and get it, come and get it. I'm a bit too much, but I'm fun and games. When I'm acting tough, I just wanna play. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it, baby, I'm all yours. Come and get it, 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 come and get it. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it, baby, I'm all yours.
I see you standing there, a soothing atmosphere. Smell of your aftershave, sweet blossom in the rain. You flip around your hair as if you're unaware, but you should know that I'm looking at you. You make me feel like I'm made of colors, just you and me, ignore the others. Do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause I do. Believe in lovers like me and you, yeah. You just keep on dancing all night out on the roof. Tell everybody I do, baby, I do. Wanna stay here and let loose. Just keep on loving all night out on the roof. Tell everybody I do, 'cause I do. Deep down and in those eyes, think I have memorized, oh, every single flare inside your burning stare. Just wanna be inside, keep dancing in your mind. You'll be my nighttime Valentine. You make me feel like I'm made of colors, just you and me, ignore the others. Do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause I do. Believe in lovers like me and you, yeah. You just keep on dancing all night out on the roof. Tell everybody I do, baby, I do. Wanna stay here and let loose. Just keep on loving all night out on the roof. Tell everybody I do, 'cause I do. You make me feel I'm made of colors, just you and me, ignore the others. Do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause I do. Wanna stay here and let loose. Just keep on loving all night out on the roof. Tell everybody I do, 'cause I do. I leave the TV on, I'm done with your sad eyes. I can't take another night with you on like this, so let's go. I'm sure you can take it. You've been crying over him for a lifetime, so if you don't mind, we will dance till it's way past late. Another course that we can fly with the baseline. I know. Boys be boys, ain't no excuse, babe. Now hey you, oh hey you. I know you can find someone better. Oh hey you, oh hey you.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us, because time is precious. The video is about to come to an end. As always, we are the family that loves life and having fun, and give you the motivation and inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly with God's love. Do not forget to subscribe down below. Do not forget to like this video, and don't forget to share this with a friend. We will see you on the tube. Thank y'all so much.
He's a vagabond, he won't love you better. I can watch you sinking down on the bottom ship. So come to 10.